Well, it's a beautiful morning out here. A little chilly this morning. The birds are singing. I hear a bunch of crows. I don't know what that one is. That's a cardinal. That's it. I will retract my statement that I made earlier. The first birds of the morning are not the robins. That's a cardinal. I looked up the sounds the other day. He's way up there on that tree. You can barely see him probably on the video. Calling for his mate. Also, I had a little boy sparrow sitting on his perch the other day and calling for his new mate. I guess I'm going to have to go to work. As much as I'd love to work out in this front yard today and tend to all my plants. Ponytail plant's looking real good since I put it in a new, bigger pot. Can't wait for all my other bulbs to come up. Those are coming up over there pretty good. Like I showed y'all the other day. All the little green things. These are paper whites. There'll be some more coming up. I put over 100 in this bed in the fall. There's a bunch of them coming up. Anyway, love you guys. See you later. Bye.